Hi, Tammy here with Minard's Leisure World. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of the 2025 Grey Wolf 22 MKSE. This is a no-slide double over double bunk model, so great for families weighing in right around 4,400 pounds and just 27 feet tip to toe. So nice half-ton towable, easy to park unit, get you out there on those adventures. Let's get started. As you can see, it is an aluminum exterior, so tough grade aluminum exterior. Front cargo area here. Lots of room for all those goodies that you're going to take along, camping, your outdoor mats, your chairs, that sort of thing. Nice big power awning with LED lights. They do have your automotive glass black glass entry door here. Looks great. Love the large campsite window, and they're kind of a reflective tinted glass as well, so can't really see in, which is kind of nice. Outside speakers, place to bring a TV outside if you want to catch the ball game or the football game under the stars. Of course, you've got your plug-ins here. There is additional storage, so tons of room there. If the front is just not quite enough, you've got lots of storage there. They've even added a leash latch. So if you're taking those furry family members along, you don't have to worry about the stake in the ground. You can just latch them onto your trailer to keep them around the campfire. So on the back of the coach here, it's equipped with a backup camera. So that comes with the trailer standard. Your drop-down cargo rack, spare tire mounted on that. And it is Lippert ladder prepped. So if you choose to add a ladder, we can help you out in the parts department with that. Okay, so we are inside the 2025 Grey Wolf 22 MKSE. As you come in here, you've got your queen size bed at the front, plug-ins on either side, and a USB port on the one side. They've got the nice full length cabinets with the hanging rods on each side, and great cabinetry up above for more storage. In addition to that, there are baskets on either side here at the foot of the bed just to add a little bit of extra storage for some of those smaller clothing items. For a little extra added privacy, they do have the curtain as well, so that extends across the full length of the foot of the bed. So you can pull that curtain if you want to have an afternoon nap or maybe just hide from the kids. As we move along to the rest of the trailer here, you've got your kitchen area. So they kind of do this funky smart sink here. A lot of them are going to that. It's nice to see it even in the smaller guys here. Glass washer, residential pull-out faucet here. The nice one-piece big farm sink with these extra inserts. So you've got some rinsing trays, your drying rack, great little place to maybe rinse some veggies, that sort of thing, as well as a cutting board. Decent amount of counter space on the other side here. Your 3-burner cooktop with the glass cover. So this just folds back and it can kind of act like a backsplash when you're cooking. If you're anything like me, you probably make a mess. You've got your microwave here. It is a built-in convection with an air fryer. How cool is that? So you can have an air fryer when you're out camping as well. Couple drawers here, full extension drawers. Nice little open cabinet down below. Probably a good place to maybe put a smaller garbage can if you wish. And some nice big open cabinetry across the top. I like the little glass inserts that they've done here just for a little bit touch of class. Moving along. 10 cubic foot, 12 volt refrigerator. So this coach is equipped with 200 watts of solar, and that's your 12 volt refrigerator. To the left of the fridge, wow, great size pantry here. Nice tall shelving, nice and deep. So lots of room for all of your dry goods that you're going to take along as well. 4-seater booth here. So this will pop down to a bed as well. So you can actually sleep up to 8 people if need be. Nice big cabinets up at the top as well. I like to think that's a good place to put your snacks and maybe your sunflower seeds. TV mount right here at the end of the dinette, so you can put a swing arm on there if you need to. But you've got your nice double over double bunks here for the kids. Each one has their own window, their own light, as well as their own USB ports. As we move into the washroom, you have your foot flush toilet, tub shower combo, and your sink, vanity, and medicine cabinet. There's also great floor space in the washroom too. One other feature I need to mention on this 22 MKSE is the water heater. So it is your tankless on-demand water heater. I know customers are just loving that. I would have loved to have that too, camping with two young girls, endless hot water. So give us a shout, Minard's Leisure World, Weyburn and Watcher, Saskatchewan.